everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha here and I'm again back with a new mukbang video as always. But before we actually begin, I want to really thank you all the people who have subscribed to my channel, and also to all the people who are viewing my channel, different videos and everything, and also to all those people who followed me on Instagram and Facebook. I really appreciate you guys a lot. Yes. Now, before we begin, let me just tell you what I'm gonna eat today. It's gonna be a little crunchy sort of a thing. So I'm gonna have this. Yeah. This is Mota's potato chips with lime and spice flavor. Yeah. So this is pretty new. So I'm not sure how this is gonna taste, but definitely we can try. And the second thing which I'm gonna eat today is this. As you can see, it is egglet chocolate chips cake. You know, of the same company, which is Joey's. I had in my last video eaten the muffins and I loved it, so I couldn't resist to pick up this cake, chocolate chip cake, and I'm so excited to try this. Yeah. So okay, now let me just put this in a nice bowl so I can eat nicely, because this is like quite a big packet. Okay, let's see. So this is how it looks. Spicy, but I'm sure this is gonna be a nice spicy. Open the cake. Again, it has come with an airtight box, just the way it had come for that masala papad. Why is my phone shaking so much? Okay. This smells exactly like muffins, but very more chocolatey. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, let me start with this. Let me try again. Let me just understand the taste. It does taste of lime and a little bit spice, which is amazing. Okay. I think I'll go for this piece. You can see the chocolates over here, and this is how it looks. It smells so good, guys. I can just eat this. Okay, let's try. It is not as soft as muffins, I would say, which I ate in my last video, but it's pretty decent. I mean, yeah, it is good. It is good. This chocolate chip tastes so good. You know what is missing? Cold drink. But it's winter here. If I have cold drink, I'm gonna fall sick. So I'm not taking any chances. So we have to manage with these two. I don't know if you guys can see properly. Why is my phone shaking today? That's okay. This is my favorite out of these two. These chips are like amazing. I always prefer the middle piece because it has more chocolate chips. Oh, look at this. It has chocolate chips inside also here and by default on the side. By the way guys, you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook with the same name. That's Neha the Way official channel. And I would be very happy to connect with you guys, because obviously I'll be posting about what I did in my video and different things related to my channel. So it would be nice to catch up with you over there. So yes, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Let's continue. I love that. This is so good. Okay, this is let me finish this first. This is very addicting. I wish I can eat the whole packet. I don't want to fall sick. This is quite a thick piece. Sorry for the background noise, guys. I will eat one more piece and then I'm done. What a time. Alright guys, so I'm done eating, and within these two I prefer this lime flavor potato chips. It's really nice. This wasn't bad, but I thought this would be, just like muffins, that was really soft, just the way I did in my last video. If you haven't checked out, then go back and check out the reviews about this company's muffins. It was really nice. But yeah, this is decent enough. It's not that bad, but maybe my expectations were too high. But any which ways guys, I hope you enjoyed me eating these things, because that's what this channel is all about. And do let me know what you guys want me to eat in my next video, any suggestion for this new channel, and keep subscribing. And I always forget where I'm gonna put, but I think I'll put somewhere over here or here, anywhere. Or obviously there's a link down below. You can hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share if you think this is worth it. And do let me know any suggestions that you have for my channel in the comments box below. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which is gonna be super duper soon. Alright, bye.